Hello everybody! A small disclaimer and briefing before starting this video. In this video, during our approach into Cork in the Airbus 320, my co-pilot Freezy and I experienced a go-around followed by a loss of control of the aircraft during the initial climb. The exact reason for this situation remains unknown, and this video also serves as a reference for the Fenix support team. Nevertheless, we decided to play along and handle the situation as we were dealing with a real technical issue, which led us into a full diagnosis and troubleshooting process. It is important to keep in mind that we are not real-life professional pilots. We are simply trying as accurately as possible to reproduce dual command operation by following SOPs, QRH, FCOM and CRM logic. The purpose of this video is to be demonstrative and to spark the curiosity of flight simulation enthusiasts looking for additional realism in their simulation experience. Additionally, Freezy, the co-pilot, had never experienced a non-standard situation in dual command before, so this was a first for him. That is one of the reasons why I explain many things in real time throughout the video. You may also notice that the quality of the ATC provided by the connected approach was somewhat initially approximate. This is actually a fairly common situation on flight simulation network. Virtual controllers sometimes develop the habit of flying the aircraft for the pilots in the attempt to help, often because they are regularly confronted with beginners struggling to control their own aircraft. In our case, you can quickly notice how it tends to complicate our workflow and reduce our concentration, as the ATC intervenes more than necessary. If you are an ATC controller on the virtual networks, this can actually be quite an interesting case study to observe. I hope you will enjoy the video, and I see you very soon.
Okay, yes, it's now 17:40, so new method report should be coming. This is pretty important.
If you want to cross-check the new meta and let me know.
Yeah, I will call you if anything changes.
Yep.
So we have a nice fast descent there.
Thanks, yeah.
Yeah, so coming from flat up to which I will turn the NTIs on.
Yo. And as the approach might start to be very quick, you might want to sit also the passenger, also because the cloud might create some turbulence as discussed before.
Yeah, jet stream. Yeah.
Yo.
So seatbelts on.
Check, and the wind is coming in front of us as expected. Oh, big turbulence.
There it is. Yeah, good timing.
Yeah, but I think they did not have the time to sit down.
No, probably not. Somebody probably knocked his head.
Yeah. Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will shortly be
It's
landing.
gonna happen fast.
Please ensure your cabin bag is safely stowed with your laptop inside. Tray table must be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open. You now need to be seated with your seatbelt fastened and ready for landing. Please help us by handing in any rubbish, newspapers, magazines that you do not want to keep. The toilets are no longer in service. Thank you.
Running 77 Kilo Alpha, descent for level 80.
Descent for level 80. Right now, 77 Kilo Alpha.
Alright, 80 blue set.
Check.
Thrust idle open descent and half speed brake.
Yeah. So I have no current IVAO 80s. But the transition level should be flight level 060.
No, it was 6.5 when I checked.
Okay.
Yes, the 80s resetted for some reason, in fact, yes.
Yeah.
Running 77 Kilo Alpha, contact Cork approach 119.9 at the line.
19, this is 9 Cork approach, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha. Cork approach, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, on the Edre 1 Golf for runway 3.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, Cork approach, good evening. Descend to cross Erta at flight level 80.
Descend to cross Erta at flight level 80. Current
unable.
altitude, flight level 100, so we are unable, I'm sorry.
We are passing.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, roger. Turn left heading 270 degrees and continue descent to flight level to altitude 4,000 feet.
Can
QNH 1009.
Can you advise him we are able for straight in? No? If he's worried about the altitude, we are able for straight in.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, we will descend to 4,000 feet and we are able for a straight in approach.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, roger. I'll keep you going as you are. Direct to the ILS for runway 34.
Alright, expect straight in.
Direct to the ILS runway 34, QNH 1009er, and we will descend to 4,000 feet. Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
What's the QNH again? 1009er, huh?
QNH 1009er.
Okay, 1009er, 4,000
Ryanair
blue set.
77 Kilo Alpha, continue to descend 3,000 feet.
Descending to 3,000 feet, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
3,000 blue set.
Checked.
Confirm 1009er
Right.
set.
That is checked.
Okay.
And Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, speed 180 knots or less.
Enable.
Speed 18.
Enable.
Unable. Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha is unable.
We need to catch the glide, we cannot reduce it in the same time, unless there is traffic, otherwise...
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, continue descent, we'll sort you out when you're on the level, sir.
Right. It's a bit
We
messy.
will continue descent to 3,000 feet, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Alright,
Yeah.
approach checklist first.
Yeah, approach checklist. VRYR.
1009er.
1009, this is cross-checked with METAR. Seatbelts.
On
Minimums.
is barrow 661.
Water brake.
Medium.
And EFB.
EFB set.
So approach checklist is complete. It's a bit messy, huh?
Yeah, and we are able to reduce now if he wants. You can tell him. Okay. Yeah.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, we are able to reduce speed now.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, 180 knots or less.
Alright.
180 knots or less, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Flaps 1, please.
Flaps 1.
Okay. Vertical speed 800. And as soon as we pass Atlam, if he is not calling you, can you ask him if we are clear for the ILS after Gosda?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I will call him now. Not now. Almost.
Wait for the turn to give him a bit
Yeah.
of time.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, we cleared for the approach past Gustav.
77 Kilo Alpha, cleared for the ILS approach, runway 34. I'll give you a traffic report at the moment. There is a VFR aircraft left of the glide. He is turning
Flaps two,
away
please.
from the glide at the moment. He should be
Flaps two.
landing behind you.
Roger, cleared ILS runway 34 and we will watch the VFR traffic left of the glide, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Lock and cat
Ryanair
3
77 Kilo
81 and
Alpha.
2.
Contact Cork Tower 119er,
We are not established yet, if you just want to confirm with him. At start.
Okay, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, we will go to tower 119.3. We are not established on the approach just yet.
If he wants us to contact, I mean, yeah, go for it. He did not say anything. Flap 3, glide slope star.
Flaps 3. Okay.
Flaps 3, you say flaps full right now. Flaps 3, please.
Oh, whoops.
And glide slope star, confirm?
Glide sub stars confirmed.
Yeah, check.
Ryanair 7, Cork Tower, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, ILS runway 34.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, Cork Tower, loud winds are 26 Syracuse, 14 knots, variable between 22 Syracuse and 28 Syracuse, runway 34, you're clear to land.
Alright.
Clear to land runway 34, Ryanair
2,500.
So go for your flow as well. Glide slope.
Checked.
And Delta Echo Golf Romeo Foxtrot, the aircraft now at your currently 12 o'clock, indicated 2,700 feet.
No, I have a freezing. Okay.
You want the gear down?
Gear down, please, yes.
Gear down.
Good day, Lot 134, requesting gear for clearance, Heathrow.
Lot 134, you're clear to Heathrow by the LTG 1 November departure and correction, standby number 1 for clearance.
Can you say again, please?
Lot 134, yeah, I got you clearance now. You cleared via the
Some rain
LT1
as
Tango
expected.
departure. Yeah, the LT1 Tango departure. and
landing
escort
checklist,
is
please.
7276.
Landing checklist. Landing memo. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. Wrong checklist. Cabin.
Secure. Yes.
Go around altitude.
Go on altitude 4000. Set.
ECAM memo.
Landing number.
Depart on runway 34.
Landing checklist complete.
Can you ask, there is space on frequency for wind check on short final, like 1 miles, 1 or 2 miles, you can ask for a wind
Lot
check,
134,
would
correct.
be nice.
Yeah, sure.
You don't need to say your call sign, you can just say wind check on freq.
Wind check.
Okay, this was a bit early, but
Winds
okay.
are 24 Syracuse at 14 knots, variable between 22 Syracuse and 28 Syracuse.
Alright, coming from the left. Alright. So, autopilot off.
So, yeah.
What's the ceiling?
Ceiling should be 1800.
Delta Echo Golf,
Alright.
Romeo
Just
Foxtrot
above the
behind
minimum.
the arriving 737, join final runway 34 behind.
Is somebody flying VRYR for
Yeah, it's insane. So, visibility should be 10, but it really isn't. Okay, runway is inside.
I don't. Not inside.
Okay.
Okay, runway inside, yes. Correct.
100 above.
I have
500.
freeze. Interesting. Back.
Minimum.
Landing.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Drive. Pitch.
Pitch. Okay, go on.
Roger.
Set flaps.
Flaps 2. And positive rates.
Gear up.
Speed.
Gear up.
Speed is check. I'm trying to push the joystick, but it's not working. I cannot. It skip pitching for no reason. I have no control over the aircraft.
Okay.
Can you try pitching? Can you try pitching? Can you push?
Negative.
There's no control. I have no control.
There's no control. No control.
Stall.
Yeah.
Runner 77
This will be
Kilo
a stall.
Alpha, are you going out?
Can you say standby?
Stall.
I have no control.
Sync rate.
Stand by.
Okay, this
Sync
is
rate.
interesting. I have control bank. Okay, not anymore. This is the alpha floor flying the aircraft, not me. Don't touch the flaps.
Roger.
And now I have control bank. Interesting. Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Okay, cancel the warning, please.
Roger. It's cancelled.
Okay, I'm trying to get back to the track of go around, and I'll stabilize to 4000. Can you remove the flight director for me, please, and set the bird on? Did you heard me?
What process off? What do I have to turn on?
Flaps 0, please.
Flap 0?
I need you to turn the bird on. The bird on. Do you know what is it?
The bird?
Yeah.
I have no idea what the bird
Okay,
is.
it's in between the autopilot 1 and 2. You click the bird. It's the FPA. Yeah.
Is this one?
Yeah, you go.
Oh yeah,
Thank
the
you.
FBA, yes, of course. Yeah,
Yeah, it calls the bird. Okay, now I have the control back on aircraft. This was interesting. Aircraft is stable at 4000. I'll fly the missed approach. You can advise ATC we're flying the missed approach and we lost control of the aircraft, but now we are back on into the missed approach 4000.
Roger.
Right now, 77 Kilo Alpha, we will be flying the missed approach. We lost control of the aircraft on landing and during the go around. We'll be entering the hold
Alpha Kilo Golf 547, requesting
Somebody cut you off?
Somebody cut me off.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, roger, you can go ahead and contact the approach on frequency 119.9.
119.9 for Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Okay. Before contact, you can switch the approach. We're flying the aircraft first. And what I can do, can you put the flight director back on your side as well?
Back? Yeah, you want me to turn it off?
On. Yeah, I don't know if you had turned it off. I don't know.
It's now it's on.
Okay. Can you select direct to Cork VRYR on the MCU for me?
So that's Charlie Romeo Kilo, right?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, and you want approach phase?
Not yet.
Okay.
Right
So
now.
I will contact the approach. Yeah.
First, no, you don't contact. We're flying the aircraft, and we navigate, and then we communicate.
77 Kilo Alpha.
Standby. You say standby. We don't have time for him.
Standby.
We're flying the aircraft first. So, aircraft is stable. Altitude, speed is under control because we had some strange behavior with alpha floor and stall, which is not a good situation. Yeah. Now it's back on. So the aircraft is flying. Navigation. We're supposed to fly the Cork, and then into Cork we're supposed to join 4000 VRYR, turn right to VRYR 4000, initiate approach or as directed. Okay. I need some time, so I guess what we could expect now is flying over Cork, then back into the India Charlie November, how we call that, undirect entry of the Costa hold, and then we join the Costa holding. Is that okay with you? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's okay with me.
Okay.
Yeah, I am.
So if you want now, we can communicate to the ATC that we are on the mist, flying Cork VRYR 4000, and would like to join via Cork, holding over Costa as published, and call him back about our intention. Is that clear? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Then you can go for it.
Right now, 77 Kilo Alpha, we are flying direct forward on the missed approach procedure. We will join the route as published via, and we will let you know what our intentions are if that is okay with you.
Right, now 77 Kilo Alpha. I'm quite happy to give you vectors to the ILS required.
We're not ready for the approach, we need hold over Costa.
So we need to hold over Costa to get our bearings back a little bit because we had an aircraft upset during the go around.
we're not ready.
So, please give us a little bit of time, is that okay?
The clear.
77 Kilo Alpha, no problem. Continue and join the Ghoster stack at flight level 4, sorry, at altitude 4,000 feet.
Okay, we will enter a Ghoster hold at 4,000 feet, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Okay, I will discuss that later. I'm just setting up the hold as published. Make sure it is correct.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, speed 180 knots or less.
No, enable. We need to fly our aircraft right now. We cannot follow speed restriction.
Unable, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Sorry, you have to work that much with this ATC. But,
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, roger. Continue at current speed.
Yeah.
We will continue, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Thank you very much for your patience.
Yeah. What the hell happened to the aircraft there? That was insane.
It's interesting. I just want to enter the hold, and then we can discuss about it. What do you think about that? Do we navigate the aircraft first, and then once we solve that, and the aircraft is in a stable state regarding navigation. Okay, we'll go through step by step. Now we are entering the holding, so the correct procedure will be to DODA, diagnose what happened.
Yeah.
Because basically we touched down. I had a pitch, so I had a pitch alert because I flared too much. So I decided to go around, and then we had some master warning caution. And I think the ECAM was saying pitch, something about the pitch. So maybe the pitch wasn't correct, and maybe my input to low down the nose wasn't enough, or maybe we had a tail strike, and this is what happened. We maybe had a tail strike. And consider having a tail strike. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, so we probably had a tail strike, then we get around, and when I start to toga, and when I apply toga, I lost control on pitch for some reason. Was it because the tail strike damaged something about the Addon? I don't see the link between tail strike and having a pitch control issue, but
me neither. No, me neither.
So the aircraft kept pitching up while we were going around. I couldn't do nothing, and then suddenly, of course, the Airbus worked his way through. The alpha floor was engaged, and the aircraft pushed back the aircraft. Well, pushed itself back toward the ground when we had the speed alert and the stall warning, as it is supposed to do. So, which is a good thing because it saved us. And then, for some reason, when it did this, it released my control because I had the control back when I pushed the control back. So I got the aircraft back into control as soon as the alpha floor was engaged and the aircraft was applying some down pitch control. So after that, I think you realize that it became a little bit less messy because I took back control, make a shadow left turn to go back into the go-around track.
Yeah, I
stabilize.
was wondering if I should have asked you to give me control, but I don't think it would have helped much.
Yeah, I don't know. My suspicion is the fact that the pitch was too high, and then we go around, and then we probably had the combination with the wind and the tail strike that put the aircraft in a situation where we lost control and the alpha floor took over. But they will be curious to see that later on. Anyway, this is the diagnosis of the situation, okay? Are you happy with this diagnosis?
Yes, I am.
Also,
so now you want to talk about fuel in Dublin?
No, not yet. One thing I could add about the diagnosis is also the ATC right now on the approach is quite messy. it's cool that you just say we're not ready, stand by. And now every time he's calling us and we are not ready to talk with him, we stay standby, okay? Even if he's asking question about what is happening, you can tell him more, of course, but if it's just to give us instruction, no, we cannot take it. Are you happy with that also, Technos? Okay.
Yes, yes. Of course.
So orientation now. Orientation, we discussed about the fact that Shannon wasn't the best alternate for us, so we wanted to divert to Dublin if it's a diversion. However, we could have a little bit of weather assessment right now. What is the weather over Cork?
Okay. Visibility-wise, I thought it was well, it was within minimums. So there you go. That's the first good thing.
But I mean now, the current weather.
Well, yeah. I mean the current weather is 260 with 14, and there's no gusts. And I didn't see any gusting on landing either. To be honest, it was just a hard landing.
Yeah, hard landing with bounce and pitch. Yeah, this is me. I wasn't stable on short on landing. Yes. So
well, yeah, I know what happened. You know what happened? You had a sim freeze right as you were correcting the aircraft, so you ended up low. That's what happened.
Yeah, maybe.
I saw it happen. So what do you want to do? Because I'm happy to try again.
Yeah, we can try again. That would be an orientation. I'll go for another approach, and then it's giving us fuel to go around once.
Yeah.
Okay. So action now would be to review. To advise the ATC that we are ready for the approach via GOSDA for the ILS 34. And that's all, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
And land this aircraft.
Sure thing. Yeah. So one more thing.
Yep.
This ATC can be quite messy.
Yep.
And please make sure that you have him finish his entire transmission before you give your opinion on it, because it actually interferes with me understanding the transition.
All right. That is an important point. Then. About review now, before getting into everything. So, review is diagnosed. We had a go around with alpha floor, pitch, probably tail strike. Oh, now I think about something that we have to take action on. I have my action now will be to cross check on QRH what we have to do with tail strike suspicion. I will have to cross check that before telling the ATC we are ready. Okay.
Okay.
So I do that quick. And then once we finish with the tail strike preparation, we can go through the ATC advice that we are ready for the approach via GOSDA, and I will not interfere during the transmission with the ATC. We'll do one approach. If we go around, we'll discuss about the option, which is going to Dublin 1.8 fuel. We need to go there, or do another attempt, but we will be staying at Cork. Is that okay with you,
yeah,
the review?
Sure. Yeah, that is okay with me.
So let me cross check quickly on the QRH, and if you want to be a little bit ahead, you can advise the ATC we need another 3 or 4 minutes, and that we'll be ready for a new approach if you want to
good day, Lord
anticipate.
134, climbing 7000 feet.
While I'm checking documentation.
Contact Shannon on 131.
Okay, I have a procedure for you regarding tail strike.
Yes, ready.
Okay, so tail strike. In the event of a tail strike, apply the following procedure: maximum flight level 100 or MSA. Right now the MSA is 2,900 and 1,700, so we need to descend to 3,000 first. Can you ask the ATC to descend 3,000?
Okay, sure thing.
Thank you.
Do you want me to tell him why?
You can advise him that we had a tail strike, and for the moment we need to descend 3,000. Yes, we call him ready.
Okay, Roger. Yeah, yeah.
A suspicion of tail strike. Sorry.
Okay.
Ryanair 7 Kilo Alpha would like to request that this is 3,000 feet due to suspicion of a tail strike.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, continuing the GOSDA hold, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Do you want to go that hold and descend to 3,000 feet, Ryanair 7 Kilo
Okay, 3000 blue set, minus 500 vertical speed.
It's checked.
Okay, now continue reading. 500 feet per minute should be targeted off climb to minimize pressure change. We did not do that, but we did not have we had something else to manage before. And for passenger and crew comfort similarity, the rate of descent must be limited to about 1000 feet minimum, except for the final approach that must be performed normally. Notify the ATC of the aircraft rate of climb. Yeah, we don't really need to notify him as we are going to join the approach directly. Is that okay with you?
That is okay.
Okay. Ram air should be on. So this is something we can activate if you know where it is.
So a ram air turbine, you mean?
Yes, it should be on. It's between engine 1 bleed and APU bleed. You have to open the cage and then
oh yeah, there it is.
and activate it. Okay, ram air. So what we are doing in Airbus, and this is just in the purpose of training, you say okay, that's here, great. You place your finger in real life on it and you say ram air on, confirm, and I say confirm, and then ram air on.
Oh yeah, true. That's true. Yeah.
With a cross check about this. Okay, and pack 1 and 2 should be off now.
Okay, so pack 1 off, confirm.
Pack 1 off. Confirm. Sorry.
And pack 2 off, confirm.
Confirm. Oh,
Here we
1
go
sec.
then.
Sorry, we forgot to calculate the speeds again.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So,
We have to calculate the landing distance again.
Yeah, approach phase is activated now, and I'll was about to go through the weight calculation, so give me a second. Now ground weight is 60.3, we will probably burn another 100 kilograms, so let's go 60.1 for our landing weight.
Okay, 60.1, we have a master caution for the backs.
Pack 1, 2 off, and this is confirmed, huh? So we can clear the
This is
master
confirmed.
caution. Very good, nice. And 60.1, this is the landing weight, and flaps 3 and auto brake medium, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do approach checklist, please.
Okay, so the approach checklist. Time. About left.
1009er set.
So that should be 1008.
Okay, 1008 then.
Yeah, so it's checked seatbelts.
On.
Minimums.
Minimum, sorry, barrow is 661.
Okay. So, auto brake.
Auto brake are medium.
EFB.
Set.
Okay, so approach checklist is complete.
One action that we messed into the DODA, and this is something for the next time, it's advise the cabin. Now we want to call the cabin and explain to them what happened and why we had so much of trouble.
Yeah.
Over this. You can advise the ATC we're ready, finally, to join.
Okay, here we go.
Via goes there.
Yeah. Sure.
Right now, 7 Kilo Alpha, we are ready to join the approach again via Gustav.
Glide slope star.
Checked. And I will tell them we are established.
Affirm.
Right now, 7 Kilo Alpha, established on the ILS.
Flaps 2.
Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, contact Cork Tower on
Flaps 2, please.
118.7, free speed.
2,500.
Glide slope.
118.7 and free speed. Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Gear down.
Gear down.
A little bit high on speed. Let the aircraft increase.
Yeah, free speed.
Yeah, but it should be 6 miles, 187.
Tower, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, ILS runway 34.
Flaps 2.
Last station, this is Shannon Tower, contact Cork on 119.
Yeah, Cork. Flaps 3, please.
Yeah, flaps 3. The approach controller gave me 187.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he did. Okay.
Cork Tower, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha, now with you again, runway 34 ILS.
Runner 77 Kilo Alpha, the winds are 25 degrees at 9 knots. You are cleared land at 34.
Clear to land runway 34, Ryanair 77 Kilo Alpha.
Landing checklist, please.
Landing checklist cabin.
Secure.
Mr. Approach altitude.
4000 blue set.
Landing memo.
Landing no blue and status telling us max flight level 100 and MA Mora tail strike as discussed.
Yeah, okay, so landing checklist complete.
Check.
Okay, so runway is in sight.
Not for me yet. And can you add me 2 knots at the VAPP before we getting
Roger.
a speed alert?
Yeah, Roger. So,
Thank you.
you go.
Okay, runway inside.
Hundred above.
Check. Stable. Autopilot off. Landing.
One 100.
It's very turbulent.
50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. 5.
Speed brakes up. Reverse green. And decel.
Okay, manual braking.
70 knots.
Check.
Roger. Okay, and starting chrono.
Thank you. I'll vacate at the end. You can start APU as well.
Yes, of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, we ask that you...
2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Perfect.
Cabin.
Yep. There is cross check.
That's correct.
Can cancel.
Okay, so shutting down number 2.
Alright, shutting down number 2. I don't have a marshal here.
Tower, good afternoon. So 190 Charlie Oscar.
Oh, that's the stop line.
So he has an error between 321. Thank you.
Air France 19 Charlie Oscar.